Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to check graphic card model number on Windows 10. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to check graphic card model number on Windows 10. So let's get started. So guys, to check graphic card model number, you have to simply right click on start button. And here you can see the option of run. So click on run. Now in run, simply type DX DIAG and simply press enter. Now here you can see the option of display. So simply click on display. So guys, here you can see all of the information about our graphic card, but you can see there is not available our graphic card model number. Here you can see. So to find graphic card model number, simply right click anywhere on the desktop, and here you can see the option of display settings. So click on display settings, scroll down, and here you can see the option of advanced display settings. So click on advanced display settings. Now in this option you can see the option of display adapter properties for display 1. So simply click on it, and here you can see in this option you can see some options: chip type, DAC type, adapter string, BIOS information, or many more you can explore by your own. So here you can see the option of adapter string. So guys, this is our graphic card model number, Intel RHD Graphics 4000. So this is our graphic card model number, and from here you can find more information about your graphic card. So guys, here you can see we have find our graphic card model number in Windows 10. So you can also find your graphic card model number in Windows 10 by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.